Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have a 1957 Chevy that has gone through a rotisserie nut and bolt restoration. As you can see here, as we progress in the video, beautiful dark blue paint. All the chrome trim lights are brand new. Engine, brand new. And we'll talk about the rarity of a ZZ430, okay? You're not gonna see this engine on an everyday basis, that's for sure. And I'll talk to you a little bit later about how special and why this motor is what it is. And you guys can Google it and find out. But as you can see, guys, show quality underneath the engine compartment. Underneath is gorgeous. This was whoever ever restored this car, and I can find out, paid attention to full detail. You got the 430 cubic inch Crate V8 GM Performance Parts engine. You got upgraded vintage air conditioning, upgraded aluminum radiator with, look at that fan, Jesus. A lot of chrome, as you can see. The headers are been added, custom headers. You got the chrome reservoir, the chrome alternator, new power steering, and new master cylinder, new wiper motor, on the four-wheel power disc brakes. Okay, Billet Specialty wheels. As you know, those are high-end as well. Moving along with the paint, this paint is stunning. It's a mirror finish, guys, all around the car. There's no rust, anything like that on this gorgeous car. Look at this soft leather interior, guys. Beautiful weather stripping. All, again, paid attention to detail. Power bench. Beautiful touch on the color for the seat belts. You got tilt wheel. Upgraded steering column. Upgraded gauges, as you can see. 3,100 miles. All the bugs have been came out of this car already. It's for your phone. Beautiful, beautiful. Sitting in this car, this is so soft. It's like sitting in your family room, guys. And I'm not joking at all. Beautiful interior, as you can see. You got power windows. You got your cups there for the coffee and Dunkin' Donuts in the morning. You got your beautiful touch screen set up with the radio. Beautiful steering wheel too, guys. Headliner is excellent on the car. All the chrome, all the billet stuff is really, really nice on the car. Continuing, look at this back seat. Beautiful speakers in the deck lid there. Third brake light installed. Look at this paint. Wow. Ready for the world of wheels, guys. Here's all the things that were done to the 57 Chevy. As you can see there, all the paperwork comes with the vehicle as well. Chrome is excellent. Same on the passenger side. Again, showpiece, guys. There's your rear disc. Wow. All I can say. If you're picky, you want a 57, this is it. This has an entire different chassis. This thing drives like a modern vehicle. There's over $165,000 that was put into this 57, guys. You could not build it for half the cost. You just couldn't build it for that again. I mean, for what we're asking, you can't build this car. You can have it now. Let's fire it up. beautiful sound system in the car as well. You even have power quarter windows, guys. See that? There's your switch right there. Talk about paying attention to detail. Yeah. Wait till you guys see the underneath of this thing. Let's go for a ride. All right. Man, this thing is like driving a Cadillac, baby. Woo! You got tilt wheel, if I didn't mention that earlier. As far as the transmission, you read there it's a 700 R4 with overdrive, cold air conditioning, fab 9-inch rear end posi. This thing is ready for touring, guys. This is definitely top shelf. I've been doing this for 26 years, guys, and this car is all that. You will definitely win trophies at the car show if you put this one in. Now keep in mind, this don't drive like a 57 by any means. So if you've owned 57s in the past, this ain't gonna drive like that. Okay, this is gonna drive like a modern car. This has all upgraded, full new chassis underneath the car. Not a stock 57 chassis, but a custom built chassis by reputable builders, guys. And that's what makes this thing top shelf. Like a dream. Honestly, sitting in this car, in this milk butter soft leather interior, you definitely feel like you're in your family room, and I ain't joking about that, not one bit. Again, guys, I come across a lot of 57s, but not like this. Honestly, not like this. Barrett Jackson style here, guys. They already called us to put it in the Barrett Jackson auction. Woo, that was a big bump. Let's see how it took it. Like a champ. And we told them that we're just going to sell it to one of our consumers and not one of their customers. And they weren't going to charge us. So that's it. This is what she wrote here, guys. Wow, this thing stops real nice, turns really nice. No complaints from me, guys. I'm definitely taking this one home tonight. Wow, that's all I gotta say. So, besides the car, if you guys are looking to finance this gorgeous vehicle, I know it's not cheap, it's pretty expensive. You will need $9,000 down. Okay, if your credit score is between 640 and 780, you will need $9,000 down, and we can finance the rest. Now, on top of that, you can roll in your sales tax for your state if need be. You can roll in your transportation cost if need be. So keep that in mind. And for the application, go to mgmclassiccars.com. You will find that in the upper right-hand corner under the Finance tab. For those of you with a little better credit, 780 and higher, we have a no money down option, guys, up to the purchase price of this vehicle. You can find that application at lightstream.com. Okay, so 2 different places for 2 different credit scores. Keep that in mind. Now, MGM Classic Cars is located in Addison, Illinois, at 150 South Church Street. Don't get fooled by the imitators, guys. We are the original. We've been doing this for 26 years. Don't be fooled by scammers online or these dealerships that strictly consign vehicles. They're not putting their money where their mouth is. We are. We own all of our 200 cars. Listen, 200 cars. We own them. Okay? So keep that in mind. You're buying from a reputable dealer. We are 5-star Google review with over 500 happy 5-star customers. eBay, we're 100% feedback as well. This is why we are in business for so long. This thing shifts awesome. Wow. And that's what you're going to say when you drive this thing. Wow. And whoever sees it, wow. And the price, wow. It's all there, guys. This ain't no joke. This is for the big boys. And if you're picky, this is it. So we are headed back to MGM Classic Cars, where we have over 200 vehicles in 2 showrooms, guys. We do welcome you. We're 20 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport, and we're only 45 minutes from Midway Airport, so no excuses. Our doors are wide open. We welcome you guys to come check this out. I hit those bumps on purpose, guys, because I want you to feel how it is hitting a bump. It's nice and smooth. It's not bad. Like a stock 57 car. So if you got a pen handy, if not, get one. I want to give you my phone number. If you have any further questions that I possibly have not talked about, you can call or text. I'd rather you text me, but phone calls are okay too. For delivery, just text me your zip code or call, leave a message. If I don't answer, I will call you back. If you don't leave a message, I will not call you back. That means you're not interested. All right, since you got that pen handy, my number is 847-848-1850. My name's Thomas, and I am MGM Classic Cars, guys. Check us out online. We'll talk soon. Thanks for spending your 13 minutes, 14 minutes with me. I know your time is valuable, and so is mine. Enjoy. Talk soon. Bye.